Now we'll add some boiling hot water. Add some hot water to the potatoes too. To start, we'll add oil. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin. As it starts to sizzle, we'll add chopped garlic, crushed ginger, and onions, which I have chopped lengthwise. Give it a mix a little bit. We'll add coriander powder, salt. So we will add turmeric, red chili powder. Give it a mix again. At this point, we will add the potatoes that we have soaked in water. So now we'll add the cauliflower. We'll mix it nicely and then cover it. So let's check our aloo gobi. It's ready. Serve it with chapati or paratha. Add some garam masala before you serve.